Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Draining your 8 sleep pod is a vital step for moving or long-term storage. This process removes water from the hub and the active grid cover. First, empty the visible water tank on the back of the hub. Turn off the power and unplug the hub from the wall outlet. Locate the drainage tool that came in the original box. If you lost it, a small blunt object might work. Place a large bucket on the floor. Disconnect the hoses from the back of the hub. Press the drainage tool into the hose connectors. Water will start to flow out immediately. Hold the hoses low to let gravity help. Empty the water into your bucket. Next, focus on the hub itself. Turn the hub over a sink or a large basin. Let all the internal water drain out completely. You can gently shake the unit to remove hidden drops. For the mattress cover, keep the tool inserted. Blow air through one side to push water out the other. This ensures the internal channels are mostly dry. Use a soft cloth to wipe up any spills. Check all connections for moisture. Keeping the system dry prevents mold and mildew growth. It also makes the unit much lighter to carry. Make sure the caps are secure before you pack it away. If you are shipping the unit, this step is mandatory. Now your system is fully drained and safe to move. Follow these steps carefully to protect your investment. The process takes about 10 minutes in total. Your 8 sleep pod is now ready for storage or a new location.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.